Welcome to Auto Motorhome, your trusted source for in-depth reviews and the latest insights into the world of recreational vehicles. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter RV Motorhome, a harmonious blend of luxury, innovation, and performance that's set to redefine your adventures on the road. Cut to a close-up of the Sprinter's front grille, showcasing the iconic Mercedes-Benz emblem. Narrator: at first glance, the 2025 Sprinter exudes the timeless elegance Mercedes-Benz is renowned for. Its aerodynamic design not only enhances fuel efficiency but also provides a commanding presence on the road. Transition to the interior, highlighting the driver's cockpit with the new 10.25-inch touchscreen display. Narrator: step inside, and you're greeted by a cockpit that's as advanced as it is comfortable. The upgraded MBUX multimedia system features a larger 10.25-inch touchscreen display, offering faster computing power and improved navigation. With wireless smartphone integration, staying connected has never been easier. Showcase the voice assistant in action, adjusting the cabin temperature through voice command. Narrator: the intelligent voice assistant now performs certain actions without the "Hey Mercedes" prompt, making interactions more intuitive and hands-free. Cut to a demonstration of the active brake assist system, with the Sprinter safely navigating through city traffic. Safety is paramount. Now includes intersection function. Avoid collisions with crossing traffic speeds of 7 miles per hour. It also warns of dangerous overtaking scenarios and assists highlights. To the e-Sprinter showcasing its sleek design and charging port. Narrator: for those seeking an eco-friendly option,